Hi everybody. Today I'm gonna show you what is the reference variable and how we can use it in Unreal Engine 5. So if you go to the level blueprint, we can create the variable by pressing variable plus key, or we can get the reference and create a variable from there. I'll show you that. So first of all, I just create a variable, then I name it character. It doesn't matter what name you give, but the matter is we can search and access any character we created. We can create any character, we can create any actor, any UI, or any blueprint which we can access all. So I just add a event begin play. Event begin play run when the level is start. So we use bp third person character and bp third person game mode. So from here I just add get player character. And from get player character we can access any character we want, any character blueprint we want. So I add a class to bp third person character, and from as bp third person character we can right button and create a variable. So this is bp third person character. We can search and change the variable type. This is we object reference we use. We can access it from this character, like if we search bp third person character and object reference. So both are the same variable type, only the change is name is different. So just compile and save. So this is how we not just only can add the character, also we can add game mode. So I just add get game mode, and from here I cast to bp third person game mode. Here we only can add the game mode. So I just create another variable and I just name it game mode. So now we can access from game mode also if we have any code there or any variable there or any function there. We can also change it to game mode if we search. So now from here we can create a widget UI, and I don't show you about the UI in detail, but I create a UI called wingame. So we can access from like that return value. We just create a variable and just name it widget. Also we can access from any variable, just search and you will find it wingame reference or object class, whatever we prefer to add. So right button, get player pawn. We can also access all of our pawn which we want to create or which we will create if we create any. I show you how we can create a pawn. Also we can access the actor if we want. Get all actor of class. Baby call it. So from using this get all actor of class we can access to any actor blueprint. We can create a variable with this. It will create a array variable, but we are preferring to use a reference variable. So we need to create a get. So from here we can create a reference variable where we can access all of the bp calculate or actor blueprint inside code in our variable. So also we can add a function called get all widget of class. From here we can access to any widget we want. So I just add a get, and we created the reference. I just add it and add with the get. This is very handy tool. And from the widget we just add the wingram, also get a copy. I already created a widget, uh, wingram widget, so I just change the name widget and I just add it, and it easily add with the get because it's using the same BP blueprint. So I name it BP collect. The collect bots previously it don't have any name, so I just give the name BP collect, compile and save. Now we created lots of reference variable, the actor reference variable, and we can now use it. So I just can add a variable in here and we can access it from the reference. I show you in previous tutorial, you see it. One thing is important: if we don't add the reference to the event begin play like we do, then we cannot access. If we don't add it to the event begin play, we need to add with the event begin play. So I just add the event teeth, and from here I just add the character. It's use BP third person character, but I don't add it with the event begin play. That's why we cannot access it. We can access it, but it will not work. Floats event which I created in BP character third person character blueprint. So from here I just add a print string. I add the print string. I compile and save. Now it's showing all 0 0 0 0 0 0 because I cannot access to the error is showing. The error is showing. We cannot access because we are not added the event begin play. So just delete it, or we can control Z, back it. Just change the character to player. The both use the same variable type, maybe third person, but player is add with the now we can see the number is floating because it's working because I add with the event begin play. That's why. So delete the character, compile and save. Now we can add any custom event in here if we want. So I name it check reference, and we can access this custom event. I just add print string, and from here I just write something in here, right? Is this so we can change the color like this yellow color, and we can also increase the duration. So I add it to my BP third person character, and for my player I can just add it check the reference. Here is my reference, the event graph, and if we play now we can see is it work in yellow color, and it will show 5 seconds because we add in event it. That's why it's running into every frame. So same thing we can do in any other blueprint or actor or widget. For example, we can add it with our BP collect. This actor blueprint, the parent class is actor. Now if we add any variable in here, we can access it from our reference. I add a variable, I name it check variable, and I add a custom event. I name it actor custom event, and from here I just add a print string, and I add this is from actor BP, and I just delete the check reference. So I just get BP collect, and from here I just add our actor custom event which we add in our baby talent. So compile and save, and if we run, it will run this is actor bp, and it's showing in every frame in event teeth. So you can see how we can access from one blueprint to another blueprint using a reference variable. This is very handy tool, and this is very useful tool when I start to make games and other project. You will see how we can use it. So this is for today's tutorial. I hope you like it. Bye bye everybody.